In today's video, I'll teach you how to shop on Interlink Electronics. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now after you do that, click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in this link, buyinterlinkelectronics.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Interlink Electronics. Right over here you'll be able to find various options. You'll be able to find the options like sensors, touchpad, mouse, pointing devices, etc. Simply click on the category of your choice. Now you'll be able to find the items of that particular category over here. You'll be able to find various options. You'll also be able to see the price over here. Simply click on the item that you would like to shop. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find more details regarding this item in this interface. You can specify the quantity. If you want to increase the quantity, click on the plus icon. If you want to decrease the quantity, click on the minus icon. After you do that, click on this option, add to cart, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular item will be added to the cart. What you have to do is simply click on the cart icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to view the cart over here. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart. Now what you have to do is scroll down and click on the checkout option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. Now you'll be able to check out the items. First of all, what you have to do is enter the delivery address. First of all, select the country or region. Click on the field of country or region and select the country or region over here. Also enter your first name and last name. After you do that, you can also enter the company name if you want. Also enter the address over here. Click on the field of address. Now what you have to do is simply enter your address. Also enter the city and state over here. Click on the field of zip code and enter the zip code too. Now also enter your phone number. Click on the field of phone number and enter it over here. Now what you have to do is scroll down. You'll also be able to find the option for shipping method over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to enter the payment details over here. Right over here you'll be able to find the payment methods like credit card and PayPal. Click on the option of your choice. If you click on the option credit card, what you have to do is enter the card informations over here. First of all, enter the card number. After you do that, also enter the expiration date over here. First of all, enter the month and enter the year. Likewise, enter the security code. Also enter the name on card over here. Now after you provide the payment details, what you have to do is click on this option Pay Now that you can see on the screen. Now once the transaction has been completed, your order will be placed and you'll receive the order within the estimated shipping time. So like this, you'll be able to shop. So that is how you shop on Interlink Electronics. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.